channel. I know it's been a while. It's been over a week that I haven't put up a video. I'm so sorry. It's been my intention to do that, but somehow or another, I always get busy doing something else, and then here we are today, like 8 or 9 days after. And I have a video for you today. It's going to be a craft that I've been wanting to make for a while now. It's not a seasonal craft. I am Martha, by the way. Welcome to my channel. First and foremost, if you're new, I want to say welcome. If you're back from before, well, thank you for your continued support. I really do appreciate it. And I hope that you all continue to enjoy my videos. I have been looking for some real looking eggs at Dollar Tree. Every time I go, I have been looking for those realistic looking eggs, not like the Easter eggs that you find, like those plastic colored ones. No, but I haven't never found them. And then I went on Amazon to look for them and I found them. So I put them on my wish list and I forgot about it. So a couple of days ago, I was at Dollar Tree, not the one that I typically go to, but I wasn't even looking for the eggs at this time. I wasn't even thinking about them. And lo and behold, I found the eggs at Dollar Tree. So I was super excited about that. And I'm going to make a video today on a craft that I've been wanting to make with these eggs for a long time. It's going to be like a country-ish looking craft, which is the look that I like for my kitchen. So it'll be out throughout the year. And I hope it turns out really nice. I have an idea in my head and I think I'm gonna like it. So I hope that you will join me for today's video and that you, if you haven't subscribed, that you will consider doing that. So I'm gonna start now with this, what I think is gonna be a super cute DIY, all Dollar Tree items, except one item, but I bought it at like Walmart, so it was really inexpensive. So anyway, let's get started with this DIY. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys. Here are the items I'm going to be using for this craft, and here are the eggs that I finally found at Dollar Tree. They're so realistic looking. I really like them. This is the one item that I didn't buy at Dollar Tree. I'm also going to use these rub-ons, this container. All these other items are from Dollar Tree. That container right there, some burlap cloth, some beads, these square looking beads. I'm going to use some of those. This floral foam, there's 2 of them in this pack. The decorative rope, and that's it. And some paint. So let's get started. And this is the antique white paint, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of this darker beige, and I'm going to paint the entire container with this color. I'm not going to paint the bottom of the inside of the container because that part is not going to show. There are 2 of those floral foams, the round ones, and I'm going to use both of them, so I'm going to hot glue them together. Then after I'm done with that, I'm going to cover it with the burlap, and I'm just going to use hot glue and fold it over until the foam is completely covered. After I've covered the foam with the burlap, I'm going to hot glue it to the bottom of the container. That's where the eggs are going to sit on. Next, I'm going to use the jewelry wire that I bought at Walmart to make a handle for the container. So I'm just going to cut it to size, and then I'm going to thread the square beads through the wire. I'm going to hot glue the wire to the sides of the container, and I'm going to use a little piece of Scotch tape on one of the ends of the wire so the beads don't fall out. And I'm going to hot glue the wire on both ends to form a handle. I'm gonna make sure that I hold that in place until it's completely dry, and then I'm gonna get the decorative rope and I'm going to hot glue 3 rows of the decorative rope all around the top of the container in order to hide where I glued the handle. And also it just serves as a nice little touch for the container. After I finish hot gluing the 3 rows of rope, I'm going to put a little Mod Podge to give my container a little bit of glaze, but that's completely optional. With my Cricut, I printed out the words Farm Fresh Eggs, and I'm going to transfer them onto my container. If you don't have a Cricut, as I always say, they sell letters at Dollar Tree that you can use. Now it's time to use these adorable transfers. I think those are so countryish and so cute. I'm going to transfer some of these little decors into my container all around. I think they're super cute, and I'm going to use a craft stick to do that. These rub-on transfers are really cute, and I'll show you how they look at the end of the video. After I'm done transferring those, I'm going to hot glue the eggs exactly where I want them. And after I finish hot gluing the eggs, my final touch is going to be to paint a little bit of gold paint on the square beads in the handle. I'm not going to do I don't want it to be like a perfect job. I just want to brush it on in different areas, but some of the color of the beads are still going to show through. Farm fresh eggs, anyone? Isn't this the most adorable country decor? I just love it. You can put this on top of your counter in the kitchen. You can put it in a little shelf on the kitchen, as I'm going to do. If you have a little buffet table next to your dining room, it would look cute there. I just love how realistic these eggs look, and the little transfer designs that I put around it are just so country and adorable. I am going to show you now. I wanted to give you a look all around the container. I'm going to show you now where I'm going to place it in the little shelf in my kitchen. I think it looks so cute. And I have a lot of videos coming up. I have an order for a Christmas wreath. I'm gonna be working on that for somebody that asked me to make it for them, and other Christmas decors that I have, DIYs that I have in store. So I hope that you'll join me for those. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I'd love to have you be part of my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.